Today we're going to check out the Eastwood Swing Arm Tire Changer, go over the features, show you what it can do, and show you how easy it is to use. If you want to visit Eastwood for more info on the tire changer or the wheel balancer, click or tap the button in the corner of the video at any time. We'll also have a link for a video on the wheel balancer at the end of this video. This tire changer, especially when combined with our wheel balancer, is just about perfect for the home hobbyist, a race shop, or even a small business. You can safely mount and dismount steel or alloy wheels from 10 inches up to 21 inches without damaging them. You can do rims up to 16 inches wide, which is nice for racing or pro street cars. You can mount tires up to 45 inches in diameter, giving you the ability to do pickup truck, SUV, and Jeep tires as well. This tire changer also gives you the ability to clamp to the inside or outside of the rims, depending on your preference and if you're trying to prevent any marring on the inside of the rims. Now that you've seen the features, let's show you how to use it to dismount and mount tires. All you need is an air compressor that puts out 115 to 145 psi and a 120 volt outlet for the tire changer. The first step is to break the bead seal. To do this, begin by using a valve stem core removal tool to unthread the valve stem core to release all the air from the tire. Place a deflated tire and rim against the rubber cushion block. Use the handle of the bead breaking blade to pivot it into position along the wheel. It should be about 1/4 to 3/8 from the edge of the rim. Depress the bead breaking pedal, which will push the bead breaking blade against the tire to separate it from the wheel rim bead. As soon as it separates, release the pedal. You may need to reposition the tire and repeat this step until the tire is fully separated from the wheel. Once it's separated, you may also need to reverse the wheel and tire and separate the tire from the bead on the back side. If your car has remote tire pressure sensors, make sure you keep the bead breaking blade away from the sensors so you don't break them. Now it's time to dismount the tire from the wheel. Begin by removing all clip-on balance weights from the rim. Place the tire face up on the turntable and apply tire bead lubricant or a soap solution to the tire bead. Depress the rim clamp pedal to move the clamps outward and engage the teeth with the inner surface of the wheel rim. Release the lock lever to unlock the slide shaft. When the mount-dismount shoe ducktail plastic guide stops just above the face of the rim, lock the slide shaft. Rotate the wheel diameter adjustment knob until the duck head is 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch away from the outer edge of the wheel rim bead. The plastic glides are not meant to run against the wheel. They're to protect the wheel if it would move and touch the duck head. With the duck head set and locked into place, put the tire iron under the tire bead and over the rounded edge of the mount-dismount shoe and pry until the tire is over the mount-dismount shoe. Hold the tire iron in place and depress the turntable pedal, which will rotate the turntable clockwise and will pull the tire bead off the wheel rim. You will now pry under the bottom of the tire and depress the pedal to rotate the turntable and completely remove the tire from the wheel. To mount a tire on the rim, be sure it's clean and free of rust, corrosion, or other debris which could cause a bad seal. With the wheel face up on the turntable, depress the rim clamp pedal to engage the teeth of the clamps with the wheel to hold it in place. Lubricate the tire with a bead lubricant or soap solution. Release the lock lever to unlock the slide shaft. The mount-dismount shoe should be just above the face of the rim before relocking the slide shaft. If a new valve stem is needed, it can be installed now. Place the inner side of the tire over the outer face of the rim with the bead slipped over the side of the mount-dismount shoe. Depress the turntable pedal, which will rotate it clockwise, and the tail of the mount-dismount shoe will push the tire bead onto the wheel rim. Repeat for the outer bead, and the new tire is now mounted to the wheel. Add air and you're ready to put it on your car. As you can see, this tire changer is perfect for the home hobbyist, a race car shop, or even a small business. For more information on the Eastwood Swing Arm Tire Changer, click or tap the button in the corner of the video. If you'd like information on the Eastwood electronic wheel balancer, you can also click or tap that button or follow the link that appears on screen.